We are here for a burping contest with me and my other two friends. And at the end of the video, we need you to pick who won in each category. Alright, first is manliest. Who goes first?
I'm gonna die.
Him.
Oh, what a failure. That was girliest.
Okay, that was girliest, I guess.
Oh, come on.
That was off. Okay, you
Read
can
it.
retry. What the? Nice. Okay, my turn.
Alright, here comes spaghetti sauce.
Hold on, let me redo. That one sucked. Yeah, sure. Hold on, I'm still going. Okay, what next?
Longest.
Okay. Nice. Okay, your turn.
Alright, spaghetti sauce.
Oh wait, hold on. Alright, then we'll do smelliest next.
I'm not smelling my burp. No way.
Okay.
Let's just do girliest.
Okay, you smell ours. You smell ours. Alright, let's do girliest.
I'm gonna win this one.
Okay, you first. I mean, you next. Okay, what next? How about most repeated burps? Let's count it. Okay, I'll go first. Okay, let me do it. I have to do it this way. I'm still going.
Okay.
Oh, dang it.
I have one for the counting. Alright, that sums up most repeated. Alrighty.
Now we do stupidest burp.
Okay,
Stupidest burp.
Did you hear that? Alright, here's me.
This is the return.
Is it looking at me?
Hold on, I'm gonna burp my ABC.
Alright, here comes spaghetti sauce with the ABCs. I'm gonna have hiccups after this.
Oh, sweet. Hold on. I'm on N.
Oh, man. Can't keep them in me. Oh. I'm not sure if people are gonna watch burping for 4 minutes.
Oh.